Hi, welcome to All About Materials and Engineering. The name has it all. The channel will be providing informative and educational videos related to materials and engineering topics. At All About Materials and Engineering, we aim to provide quality engineering education. Our videos are designed to clear misconceptions, create a passion for engineering and explain complicated technologies in a simple way. The sole purpose of creating these videos is to explain the concept in very simple manner so you understand it better and you can remember it easily. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay connected with us. In this video we are going to know about welding imperfection, cracks. Imperfections are classified into 6 groups, namely 1. Cracks, 2. Cavities, 3. Solid inclusions, 4. Lack of fusion and penetration, 5. Imperfect shape and dimensions, 6. Miscellaneous imperfections. In this video we will see about cracks. The 4 types of crack are as follows. 1. Solidification cracks, 2. Hydrogen-induced cracks, 3. Lamellar tearing, 4. Reheat cracks. Solidification cracking. 1. The solidification cracking occurs during weld solidification process. 2. The solidification cracking steels with high sulfur impurities content. 3. The solidification cracking requires high tensile stress. 4. The solidification cracking occur longitudinally down center of weld. 5. The solidification cracking has low ductility at elevated temperature. Hydrogen-induced cold cracking. 1. Hydrogen-induced cold cracking requires susceptible HA. Lamellar tearing. 1. Lamellar tearing will be step-like appearance. 2. Lamellar tearing will occurs in parent material or has 3. Lamellar tearing will only in roll direction of the parent material. 4. Lamellar tearing is associated with restrained joints subjected to through thickness stresses on corners, tees and fillets. 5. Lamellar tearing requires high sulfur or non-metallic inclusions. Reheat cracking. 1. Reheat cracking occurs mainly in HAs of low alloy steels during post-weld heat treatment or service at elevated temperatures. 2. Reheat cracking occurs in areas of high stress and existing defects. 3. Reheat cracking is prevented by toe grinding, elimination of poor profile material selection and controlled post-weld heat treatment. Cracks that may occur in welded materials are caused generally by many factors and may be classified by shape and position. Classified by shape. 1. Longitudinal. 2. Transverse. 3. Chevron. 4. Lamellar tear. Classified by position. 1. Has. 2. Centerline. 3. Crater. 4. Fusion zone. 5. Parent metal. Note: cracks are classed as planar defects. These are the pictorial representation of the cracks. These are the radiographical representation of the cracks. Thanks for watching our video. Like and give your valuable comments, subscribe and press bell icon and stay connected with us.